What if I told you, a man once legally owned an entire country, not ruled it, not governed it, owned it like property, and the strangest part, the world accepted it. But how is that even possible? In 1839, a young British explorer named James Brooke arrived in Southeast Asia. No army, no kingdom, no power, just a ship and a strange dream no one understood yet. But what he found there would change history. He landed in Borneo, a land filled with conflict, pirates, and chaos. Local rulers were losing control. Everything was collapsing. Then, something unbelievable happened. The ruler of a small region called Sarawak made a desperate offer. He said, "Help me stop the rebellion, and I will give you the land." But no one expected what James Brooke would do next. He agreed, and went to war with pirates. Against all odds, he won. Pirates' strongholds fell one by one. Chaos turned into silence. And then came the moment that shocked everyone. The ruler kept his promise. James Brooke was officially granted Sarawak, a territory in Borneo now under one man's control. But this was just the beginning, because what he built next wasn't just influence. It was a personal kingdom. No British colony, no empire rule. Sarawak became what history had never seen before, a country governed by one European as his private realm. He wrote laws, collected taxes, commanded armies. People began calling him the White Raja. But here's the twist no one expected. He didn't just rule it. His family inherited it, like a crown passed down generation after generation. A man who arrived with nothing ended up creating a dynasty over a real country. And even today, historians still debate how this was ever allowed to happen. If you want more unbelievable true stories like this, subscribe to History Rewind.